Okay, I can't believe this, but I totally forgot to tell you a fun story. So, this only works if you are farsighted and have glasses, but this is how you're going to win Survivor. Okay, so a couple years back, guy brought his glasses and he used his farsighted glasses, okay, those convex lenses, and he used it as a magnifying glass to start a fire. Okay, and on Survivor, like fire is like everything. And so everyone loved him because he started a fire and they could like have water and everything. And he ended up winning $1 million. So that's your trick. If you want Survivor, be farsighted and have glasses because you can start a fire and win $1 million. And if you do it, like just like a shout out or something would be super fun. Okay. Anyway, our last lens drawing. Okay. This one is probably the most tricky. Okay. So just want to make sure that you are paying attention to what I'm doing, when I'm doing it, and how I'm doing it. Okay. So first, we're going to draw our principal axis. Okay. So this is the other type of lens. Okay, our first lens is convex. This one is concave. Okay, so concave lenses, okay, look like that. Okay, so they go inwards instead of the other way. Okay. Now, this one, our focal length is always negative. So we're still going to have two focal lengths, okay, but the focal length we first focus on flips. Okay, so we still have two focal lengths because we have two sides. Okay, but what we're doing is flipping a little bit. Okay, so we're going to start, okay, with our object like always. Okay, parallel, focal point, parallel. Okay, but first we were focusing on this focal length, but now we're going to focus on this one with our first drawing. So the first thing we do is parallel, okay, to our principal axis. And again, this is for concave lenses, okay? Now, concave lenses are diverging lenses. Instead of all the light focusing on one point, it diverges in the other direction. So you're going to line up this first focal point right here, okay, with the end of your ray, and it diverges. It goes away from my lens. Instead of going towards something, it goes away from something. Okay. Next one, focal point parallel. Now, you're going to focus, okay, you're going to line up the top of your object with this focal point over here. Okay, so line them up, draw it towards your lens until you get to your lens. Okay. Once you get to your lens, it goes parallel. Okay, so the red line, our first line, goes parallel, then away. The blue line goes towards the far focal point and then parallel. Now you'll notice, again, these do not intersect. So we have to take our refracted rays, okay, and bring them back. So for our red line, okay, this one up here is refracted. We're going to bring that one backwards. Again, we need to make sure we're doing a dotted line. Our blue line, this one right here, is the refracted ray. Okay, so we're going to take it and bring that one backwards. Now this is chaotic, I understand, but we have to look for where the dotted lines intersect. So where are our two dotted lines and where do they intersect? They intersect right here. Okay, so we get upright, smaller, and we get virtual because of those dotted lines. Now, good news, okay, all diverging concave lenses look exactly like this. So if you can get this down, everything that looks like this lens is going to have this exact same picture. Okay, so let's do the math. Equations stay the same. Okay, let's say that my object distance is 30 centimeters. Okay, now my focal length, because this is diverging, has to be negative. So focal length, okay, is negative 20 centimeters. Okay, pause the video, find DI, find magnification. Okay, so DI is negative 12 centimeters. That means it's virtual, which is what I got, which is good. Magnification is positive, meaning it's upright, which it is. The absolute value of magnification is less than 1, meaning it's smaller, meaning all of that is all done. Okay, so again, I'll be posting all of my notes along with these videos, so please take a look. If you would like more practice with these drawings or the mirror drawings, please just let me know. I can post extra practice. I don't mind that at all. I have lots of extra worksheets. So please let me know. Again, our test is on Wednesday. These videos will not be available on Wednesday during the test, okay? So make sure you're taking good notes.